Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learn the recipes as one. I hope your New Year's was good. Today is Friday's upload. Today we're going to make something interesting. We're going to take Angus beef meatballs, they're already cooked, and we're going to put them on garlic bread soft tacos, and they're going to be made with barbecue sauce and garlic, and topped with cheddar and Monterey Jack. This is really unique, and the taste is unbelievable. You don't really have to even fold the tacos. You can just after you top everything, you could just use a fork and knife and cut them and just eat it like that. I can guarantee you the taste is good. And like I said, today is Friday's upload. 4K POV. So for this recipe, I already did the tacos in garlic bread. You just put garlic in there and butter, and you do it. If you look at my previous recipes, you'll see how I did that. I got barbecue sauce, garlic, meatballs, and the cheddar Monterey Jack. So let's just get started by cutting some meatballs up and put it in the pan. Alright, so we started off with about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and now we're going to go to these Rancher Angus beef. These things are really good. So you're going to want to cut them up and put them in the pan, and then we're going to put some barbecue sauce and garlic in there. Alright, so you see that we have the meatballs. We're going to put this pan on medium, the stove on medium, and we're going to add our barbecue sauce. Alright, so we grouped them all together. Now take the barbecue sauce of your liking and drizzle that over there. You want to try to coat them as much as you can. And just stir them about after that. Then we'll add the garlic in there. If this gets too hot, just turn it down to low. All stoves and pans are different. Alright, so we got the barbecue sauce in there. And like I said, use the barbecue sauce that you want. Right now it's on low. I added a little bit of water to this and just keep mixing it around. We're going to let this go for like a minute or two. And then we're going to throw in some garlic. This recipe doesn't take a lot of ingredients, but the taste is unique. And it's something different, and bet you kids would love to make this and eat it if they like barbecue sauce. So just work this about. If you have to, turn your stove up just a little bit, almost to medium, but just make sure it doesn't boil too much and it goes all over. Alright, so we let those meatballs go for about 2 minutes. I turned it down. So throw in the amount of garlic that you want. If you don't have time to peel garlic and chop it, a lot of times you can get like really good natural or organic garlic in water, and it makes your cooking time less. So just start working this in. Maybe turn your pan up a little bit, almost to medium, and just start working this. Once this is done, or you have the amount of garlic in that you want, we're done. We'll just put it on top of the tacos, and then we'll put the cheese on there. And then it's up to you. You can eat it with the cheese like that, or you could throw it in the microwave really quick and melt the cheese. But if that's not enough garlic, go and get more. Garlic is love. Alright, so we'll get back to here. Just keep stirring this. And like I said, this is only like a 3-thing recipe. It's really simple. If you can find meatballs that are already cooked in your area, they save a lot of steps, and you can have a quick meal. Alright, so we got the garlic in there. I'm coming to you today in 4K POV, point of vision, where you see the cook from my eyes, my hands. Maybe in the future, in like maybe March, I might switch it up and I might appear on the screen. But I just want to make this about cooking. I'm not a model or anything. But just take the sauce and start drizzling it over the meatballs. I turned this up to medium. You can see it boil a little bit. That's a little bit too high. Turn it down. Turn it down where it's just below the boil, and just keep working these meatballs. You just want to get the flavor in there, the barbecue sauce and the garlic. After that's done, which will take maybe another 2 minutes, we'll go right over to the tacos. And like I said, these are garlic and butter, and we'll just top the meatballs on top and then throw the cheese on, and we're done. And that, like I said, if you have those meatballs, it only takes like 5 minutes to do this. Alright, so we're done. And now we could just load our tacos up. Alright, so we got our tacos done. Now we're going to want to go over to this this pan. Boy, I'm saying the wrong things today. And just start loading up your meatballs. If you want, like I said, you could just use a fork and everything and cut it. Or when you're done, you can fold them up and eat it like that. So, depending on what you want to do, depends on how many meatballs you're going to put in there. If you're going to fold these, then you're only going to want 3 meatballs. Because you got to give room for them to fold. So if you want three. If not, if you're going to just eat these alone, then put another 3 on the side. So that's basically it. Let's load up the other one. I think I'll fold them later for myself. So let's just load that up. And then we'll top the cheese and we're done. Alright, so I'm done. I actually loaded up each one differently. Here's the one with the 3. So if you want to load the cheese up or whatever you want, you can do that. Like that one. This one has the 6 on there. So you could just use a fork and knife and cut this up. Look at all the sauce that this created. Now we're going to just take our cheese and put our cheese on there. Our cheddar Monterey Jack, and we're done. Alright, so let's go to our cheese. Take that cheese, sprinkle it on there. And like we've said too, cheese is loved like garlic. So put that amount on. No one can tell you what is best for you. But this is how you can be creative with food and everything. I actually don't have a name for this recipe. I don't even know what you want to call it. All I know is it tastes good. So there it is, basically. You got both sets. This one you can fold and eat. You see how that is? So you're seeing my mouth right there. You can eat that. That's really good. Or if you want, this other one, like I said, it's loaded up. Look at it. Now you could just take your fork and your knife and cut that up and eat it. So today is Friday's upload. Something different. Barbecue meatballs on garlic tacos with cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. So you couldn't go wrong. So thanks for visiting my channel. Be safe in 2020. Many ideas coming this year. And many new recipes, many new ideas, like I said. We're going to spend a lot of time together, 3 times a week. And please subscribe, hit the bell. You get 3 to 5 updates a week. And share it with your friends. Tell your friends so I can keep going and keep this going. But that's your barbecue meatballs on garlic tacos. So eat them the way you want. Either fold it or cut them up. Friday's upload. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week, Monday. Peace. Dansoy.